Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the GST creation. First, I am going to explain what is meant by GST. GST in the sense goods and services tax. So, GST is to be launched from 1st July 2017. Means here it has 5 types of tax rates. Like for example 3%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. So today I am going to explain the creation mode of GST within state. Means for example within state you are purchasing goods, for example 3% items. So how to pass the entry? Means within Karnataka you are purchasing the goods. So first for activation and all, first we have to open the Tally software. Here it is already created PK company. So we have to go to the activation steps. Go to FLN features. In FLN feature there are 3 types of features. One is for accounting feature and one is for inventory and one is for statutory and taxation. In accounting feature only accounting transactions, inventory is for stock and statutory is related to only tax like GST, TDS, TCS, FBT and all. So first we have to go to the statutory and taxation. Enter. Here you are finding enable goods and services tax, yes. Set or alter GST detail, yes. Okay, so first we have to go to the FLN feature. There statutory and taxation. There enable GST, yes. Set or alter GST detail, yes. Now state Karnataka means I am purchasing the goods within Karnataka, so I can take it as state Karnataka. Registration type is regular. Here you are finding GST TIN. TIN means tax identification number. Okay, so first you have to take TIN number. So Karnataka, the code is 29. You can give as 5K. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1Z5. Okay, so we have to give the GST TIN in this format only. First we have to give the Karnataka code is 29, then you can give any 5 alpha, then 4 numeric, then A1Z5. Now what is the financial year you have given? Applicable from 1st April 2020 means what's the company I have given in the creation date, that date only we have to give. Okay, then you enter, accept it. Then you can go to the PAN number. C. Next corporate identity number. Okay, now your activation steps done. So first we have to create the ledgers. First for creation of ledgers I have to go to the accounts info, ledger, create. I am taking GST purchases at 3%. Here we can take it as purchase accounts. Here you are finding GST applicable, yes. Set or alter GST detail, yes. Okay, now I am purchasing within state, so you can give as purchase taxable. Means within Karnataka we are purchasing, means we have to give as purchase taxable 3%. 3%, enter. So I am doing on the basis of goods, enter. Okay, so GST purchase at 3% over. After that we have to calculate the duties and taxes. For example, we are purchasing goods within state means we have to take it as input. For purchases we have to take it as input. Input CGST at 1.5 and input SGST at 1.5. Means we are purchasing within Karnataka means we have to give half of the means 3%. In that 1.5% will go to the state and 1.5% will go to the central. So for that we have to create the ledgers like input CGST at 1.5 under duties and taxes GST central 1.5 normal rounding 1. Okay, same type you can give for input SGST at 1.5 under duties and taxes GST state 1.5 normal rounding 1. Okay, after that we have to create one company is the sundry creditor. Sundry creditor means we are purchasing goods from that particular person. See, for example you can take it as MK and company as a sundry creditor. means we have to create the party. Here the same thing Karnataka. Here you are finding sector alter GST detail. Yes. Okay. Now here you can take it as regular. Whatever the TIN number you have given, 29 5K 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1Z5. Okay. Now I created all the ledgers which is related to 3% purchases. Now we have to create the stock items. For creation of stock item, I have to go to the inventory info, stock item, create. See, for example, as I told, 3% for gold and silver, platinum, diamond. Okay, so now I am taking any gold items. You can take it as gold ring. Gold ring. For creation of any new account, Alt C, gold. Okay, should quantity of items to be added? Yes. So gold is to be measured in grams. So we can create with the shortcut key of Alt C, GMS, GRAMS. Now applicable, yes. Here on value, taxable. We have to give the taxability is taxable 3%. Okay. Now another one items I will create. You can take it as gold chain. Here it comes under gold, grams, applicable, yes, on value, taxable 3%. Okay. Now I created the stock items. Now next we have to pass the vouchers. So first passing of voucher, we have to go to the accounting voucher, F9 for purchases. F9 for purchases. Here you can give the invoice number 1, party name I told you, MK and Company, purchases ledger. Purchase ledger as I created GST purchases at 3%. Here you can select purchase taxable because we are purchasing goods within state. So I have to take it as local. Now name of item as I already created. You can take gold chain. You can take the imaginary figures. Next gold ring. Now I created this much. So for whatever the calculation I have done, for that I have to pay the tax. So you can select input CGST 1.5 and input SGST 1.5. Whatever the amount we created, for that we have to calculate the tax amount. So it will come automatically, this 1.5% for CGST and 1.5% for SGST. Okay, save it. Here you can give as new reference, enter. So your voucher is saved. Now whatever the voucher we have done, you can find out in the display. So first we have to go to the Gateway of Tally home page. There you are finding display. Then you can go to the statutory reports, GST. We are doing on the basis of purchases. So we have to go to the GST R2. R2 in the sense GST returns 2 for purchases and returns 1 for sales. So enter it. You will find out in the B2B invoice. B2B invoice in the sense business to business. Okay. So this is the way for calculation of GST on the basis of goods for purchase of 3% items. Okay. So if you have any alteration, again you can go to the day book. And if any alteration is there, means change of any quantity, rate, amount, you can make it as per your convenient. Now I am changing the quantity. Okay, then so the rate will also change. Okay, now this is alteration. If you want to delete, enter it and press Alt D. Okay, so this is nothing but Alt C for creation and Alt D for deletion. Okay, so this is the way for creation of GST on the basis of goods for the purchase of 3% items like gold and silver, platinum, any precious metals. Okay, okay friends. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it, comment it. Thank you.